look at the games of the PBA pag elimination rounds. Walang tao. May tao lang pag Hinebra na. Pag may Manila Classico and all that stuff. But again, that goes back to the roots of the lack of parity. Kasi in these difficult times where money is scarce, may pera ka lang. Dito sa atin ngayon, may pera ka lang kung congressman ka or contractor ka.
Ayun.
Diba? But tayo na hard-earned money, so you have to parse through what you spend your money on. Diba? Like for instance, may extra 500 pesos ka. Nood ba ako ng PBA, punta ako ng MOA or kain lang ako ng Jollibee. Dalhin ko yung asawa ko. O, di ba? Then, this choice is easy because sa Jollibee, mabubusog ka. Sa PBA, mas ako babayad na should I pay? Terra Firma should pay me to watch them because that's a very ugly product. Blackwater should pay me to watch them because that is a lousy product. Di ba? So, kung ikaw yung fans, so kayo walang nanonood sa mga games ng Terra Firma, Blackwater, even in some cases Phoenix. O, di ba?